In this video, I'll show you how to turn on screen distance on your iPhone. Screen distance is a helpful iPhone feature that reminds you to move your phone farther away when you're holding it too close to your face. It's designed to help reduce eye strain, especially if you use your iPhone for reading, scrolling, or watching videos for a long time. So if you want to enable this feature, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once Settings opens, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Inside Screen Time, look for Screen Distance, then tap on it. Now, you'll see an option called Screen Distance. To turn it on, simply tap the toggle next to Screen Distance. Once the toggle is enabled, your iPhone will start reminding you when you're holding the screen too close to your eyes. When the warning appears, all you need to do is move your iPhone a little farther away, and then tap. Continue to keep using your phone. And that's it. You've successfully turned on screen distance on your iPhone. This is a great feature to use if you want to build better screen habits and help protect your eyes while using your phone. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions.